When you're ready to submit an assignment in Canvas, click on Submit Assignment. You can submit online assignments in Canvas using several submission types. Instructors can choose what kind of online submissions they want you to use. If an assignment has a rubric, you will be able to see grading criteria and outcomes. For a file upload, go ahead and choose File. Once you've chosen the file, go ahead and hit Submit Assignment. If the submission type is text entry, you may enter any text that you need for the assignment. If the assignment requires a website URL, you can copy and paste it here. You can also submit with Google Doc or Google Drive, or if you have it, Office 365. Canvas allows you to record or upload media to an assignment if required. Once you've submitted your assignment, you will see a verification on the right-hand side. You can download your submission or look at submission details. Click on View Feedback to review your submission. If the assignment allows, you will be able to resubmit the assignment. Your instructor may assign peer review for an assignment. You will see a notification on your to-do list. To give peer review, click on View Feedback. You can use annotation tools in the Doc Previewer. If the peer review has a rubric, you can locate that here at the top right. You can grade the rubric by clicking on the ratings and making comments. Once you're done with the rubric, hit Save Comment. You can also leave comments in the feedback. Canvas also allows you to attach media comments or files. Once you're done, hit Save.